Hello from Pennsylvania. Welcome back to Sun.
Plus one. And today we're in Gurmansville. We're at Bake Oven Knob, where we're going to take a hike and we're going to go see some beautiful scenery. And if you want something more of a challenge, this is it.
Challenge? I thought this was going to be a leisurely hike.
Chris, if I didn't think you could do it, I wouldn't take you.
All right. Well, let's get started then.
All right, let's get started here on this hike. I believe this is about half a mile to 3/4 of a mile till where we get to the views. This path is a little more challenging because right now it looks fairly good, but it gets really rocky and really steep up here. And Bake Oven Knob is at the Blue Mountain Ridge of the Appalachian Mountains. Now it's starting to get steep and rocky. Chris, how you doing?
Doing pretty good.
All right, keep going. And as you can see, it's really rocky, but it gets worse. Yep, this is harder to walk in all these rocks. It's like a boulder field. Chris, be careful up there. Now this is what's ahead of us. This is the ultimate boulder field to walk through. Let's go.
Oh man. This is how you disappear.
Just watch every step you make. When they say this path was rocky, they weren't kidding. Look at this, straight up. I shut you off, but I decided I'm going to turn you on and take you with me. And Chris is right behind me. Chris, you making it?
I'm doing it.
All right. This is going up. And you gotta watch all these rocks. And if you think that's bad, look at all this. We gotta get through all this. So let's go. I guess we've reached the knob. Let's go find the views. And look what we've found. This is absolutely beautiful. And there is some graffiti on the rocks, but it's still beautiful. Chris, how'd you like this?
I liked it, but it's a little scary towards the edge there.
It's fun, isn't it?
It is, but scary.
Look at all these boulders. This takes a while to navigate through. Yep, still trying to navigate these rocks, finding where all the other views are. Well, I found another little view, but some of the trees are blocking our view, but there's a bit more of a view. Just take your time, Chris. Chris is being extra careful, and that's all right. And I'm going to follow him, just letting him get a little way ahead of me. All right, now that he's a little ways up, we'll go. And I'm going to try to take you with me so you can kind of see what we're doing. All right, I'm going to jump down here. Okay. All right, this isn't bad at all. Chris, not too bad, right? Nope. And watch what branches you're holding on. You don't want to hold on to poison ivy, or you'll pay later. Go ahead, just pull yourself up. All right, I'm right behind you. All right, Chris, now we only have about half a mile of rocks left to go.
Oh, shit.
I just can't believe all these rocks. This was well worth it. What views. What a gorgeous morning. I'd do this again in a heartbeat. Oh, I've passed at least 10 people doing the Appalachian Trail because it goes right through here. They have to go right through here. Some of the nicest people I've ever met. A lot of rocks. Chris, how did you enjoy this?
Yeah, it was pretty good, but a little steep though.
Yeah, but when you do it again for the views?
I don't know.
I'm going to have you used to not being afraid of heights, ain't I yet? You're going to be used to this in no time. Well, because of all of the foliage, that first view was the best view. But we'll be back in the fall so we can see the rest of the views, and we got to go downhill from there. It'll be all easy, Chris. Be careful that you don't trip going downhill, okay?
Yeah.
And let's go downhill. Next time I'm hiking, I'll never say, well, this path is rocky. This is nothing. This is a smooth path for me from now on. I consider this a smooth path compared to what I just went. Boy, does that feel better on your feet. Oh, but this little rocky patch, it's smooth sailing, and it feels really good. And here comes Chris. This was well worth the hike and all the rocks we had to climb. I like it. This was absolutely amazing, and I can't wait to do it again. The views were spectacular, and Chris is right back there. And did I mention that the high point back there was about 1,500 feet? Give or take a little. And I see the metal gate. So there's the parking lot. Well, we hope you enjoyed your time at Bake Oven Knob, because we sure did, and they were gorgeous views. And we'll be back.
Boy, she is not afraid of anything. She has nerves of steel, and I have nerves that are frayed. Make sure you like and subscribe down below.